Sometimes all you need is less. Less noise, less distractions, less expectations for yourself. So we traveled to the German countryside to disconnect in a 14 square meter tiny house, finding more nature, more silence, and more room to grow. This is the story of our road trip. Are you ready to go for a drive? Okay, so we're going to do about a 5-kilometer hike today. We've done 1 kilometer now and it's really, really warm, but
very sunny. Yeah.
Wow. We just arrived at our second tiny house and I'm going to give you a little tour. So this is pretty much it. This is the tiny house. It's about 14 square meters and it has the sleeping quarters right over there, and you get up there with this little ladder that they hid behind the couch. We have a little closet here, which I cannot open because of the carpet, but as you can see, it's just a little storage space. Here we have a fully functioning kitchen. It's pretty small, but it works for making pasta or any simple dishes. Here we have glasses, ceramics, a Bluetooth box, and something to make coffee. And here you can see the little couch area, which is also storage, of course, because you have to maximize this tiny, tiny space. And looking out into the field, which is pretty cool, you also have this kind of barbecue area, or you could maybe make a fire in the evening, so this is pretty nice. And yeah, so yeah, it's quite tiny, just as the name would suggest, but it works for 2 people for a limited amount of time. And bathroom, it's pretty tiny as well, but actually for this tiny house, the bathroom is actually almost as big as the one that we have at home, so that's pretty nice. And we have a pretty big shower, like at least a normal shower, which is pretty cool.
Und einmal das Bier.
Ja, und
Honestly, this journey felt like a much-needed reset. Living in the city can feel really overwhelming for 2 introverts. So taking these little breaks, calming our minds and bodies, is the perfect reminder that slowing down can be the fastest way to get to your destination.